Hello class, my name is Irina and today I'm going to present some of the health benefits of the Dead Sea. The Dead Sea is located in the Middle East between Israel and Jordan. The Dead Sea is 1,300 feet below sea level, making it the lowest place on earth. This place is famous for its magical healing power and natural beauty enhancement. The Dead Sea is also known as the world's oldest spa. Over 2,000 years ago, a famous Egyptian queen Cleopatra used to travel there twice a year just to maintain her beauty. You might be asking yourself, how this body of water got its name? People have called it the Dead Sea because it contains so much salt that only few tiny organisms can live in. It has a much higher salt content than other seawater, and because of its high salt density, makes it easy for people to float on this surface. While at Dead Sea, you often see people playing around and reading books and magazines while floating. This mystical body of water contains high concentration of over 26 minerals that are essential to the human organism and specifically our skin. It also contains 12 other elements that are not available in any of the other sea or ocean. It's this high concentration that gives the Dead Sea its healing power. Two of the main natural materials harvested from the bottom of the Dead Sea are salt crystals and Dead Sea mud. They are well known for relieving pain and suffering caused by arthritis, rheumatism, psoriasis, eczema, headache, and toothache. Applying Dead Sea mud on the facial will improve skin elasticity and minimize pores, wrinkles, and lines. Your face will feel clean and refreshed. Besides the minerals, there are other health benefits in the surrounding environment. For example, the air around the sea is extra oxygenated, which helps you to breathe easier and improves respiratory health in patients suffering from asthma and cystic fibrosis. The sunlight around the Dead Sea is quite therapeutic because the ultraviolet rays have to travel so far that they lose their intensity, leaving the skies clear and bright while cause little damage to the skin. There are many beautiful hotels and spas throughout the Dead Sea area, catering to those who wish to explore the benefits the Dead Sea has to offer. Just imagine starting your day with a complete body mud mask, which you rinse off with a long swim in the warm, salt-enriched Dead Sea water, followed by a nutritious, light and healthy meal and massage right before you retire for the evening. I have lived there myself for several years and have spoken with many people who have claimed that Dead Sea has cured their arthritis, psoriasis and other ailments. By visiting these Dead Sea spas and exposing your body to the natural environment, you will improve not only physical but emotional health too. I hope you find this presentation entertaining and informative. This concludes my presentation on the health benefits of the Dead Sea. Thank you for your time and I hope you enjoy my information.